Hi, Todd Martin here. In this walking code video, I'm going to do a really fun exercise working on walking forward and backward in a straight line, and also walking in a turning circle going forward and a turning circle going backward. And remember, if you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. If you haven't signed up for the Walking Code online course, please visit my website at toddmartinmd.com, or you can click on the link below this video. Now I'm going to walk in a circle, starting clockwise. And then I'm going to reverse the circle and walk backwards counterclockwise. Now let's do the walking in a circle, and let's explain the core rotation there. When I'm going to walk in a continuous circle, what I'm doing going forwards, let me start on my left leg forward. To turn in a circle clockwise, starting with my left leg forward, instead of tucking on the left as I change weight, which would lead me to a forward step, I'm going to keep the tuck on my right leg, my rear leg, as I initially change weight. Then I'm going to change the tuck to my left leg as I do the swing through. The swing through portion, the core rotation, is the same as when I walked in a forward line. The difference is in the change of weight. I keep the tuck of the pelvis or the root on the back leg. Then I change during the swing through. Now, to continue the circle, I'm going to turn my upper and lower torso in the direction, that's concordant rotation, during the change of weight. So you see everything is moving in this clockwise direction. And then I'm going to take a normal swing through, turning my upper body to the left or counterclockwise as I flex my right hip and I continue tucking on the right. So what you're going to see is my arm swing is going to begin to move to the left or forwards on the right, but my body is going to turn this way. It's turning clockwise because of the turning action that I already had set up during this portion of the motion. I'm now going to go back to the same sequence that I began with, using concordant rotation to change weight, and then a normal swing through. Concordant rotation to change weight, and then a normal swing through. Concordant rotation to change weight, torsional rotation during the swing through. Now to reverse, going backwards, I'm actually going to use concordant rotation in both the change of weight and the swing through. Remember, when I moved backwards in a straight line, I used torsional rotation to change weight and concordant rotation to swing through. When I want to go in a circle, I'm going to use concordant rotation, everything turning towards my standing leg, and I'm going to continue concordant rotation when I swing through. Now I'm going to change everything into the opposite direction, going from counterclockwise with the upper torso and counterclockwise with the lower torso to clockwise with the upper torso and clockwise with the lower torso to change weight, and then I flex the hip to generate the energy for the swing through. To take the next step, again, I change both rotations and then the hip action. I change both rotations here, then the hip action. Both rotations here, then the hip action.